If you're a content creator or managing a virtual influencer, you probably know how useful Face Swap can be. Whether it's making eye-catching thumbnails or keeping your characters look consistent in videos, face swapping has become a must-have tool. But let's be real, most good face swap tools cost a fortune with their subscriptions. Well, good news! Today, I'm sharing a 100% free face swap tool that lets you swap faces in photos and videos, even multiple faces at once. No more waiting. Let's jump right in. I was talking about VidMage AI, the best and 100% free face swap tool for images and videos. I will put the link in the description. Okay, this is the VidMage Face Swap Generator homepage. Here at the top of the page, you will find all the tools. Some of them are Mac-exclusive tools. If you are a Mac user, you can enjoy real-time face swap, faster processing, and complete offline privacy. However, as I am a Windows user, I am starting my journey with Face Swap. This is the Face Swap Generator interface. Here, first of all, we have to upload the original or target image. Simply click here and then upload the original image. Once the image is uploaded, upload the face image. Imagine I want to swap the face of this character with this face. So, I am uploading the image as the face photo. After uploading the image, simply click on the Swap Face button from here. Now we have to wait for some time, as it will take time to analyze and swap the face. And here it is, the final image is ready. It takes only around 30 seconds to swap the face, and the result is in front of you. It perfectly swaps facial features, including the eye color, nose composition, and lip features. This is really amazing. Now to download the image, simply click here and save the image on your device. Now imagine you have an image with multiple faces like this, and you want to swap the faces. Then you have to use this multiple face swap tool from here. After coming to the multiple face swap tool, we have to upload the original multi-face image. For example, I am uploading this image with 4 faces. Once the image is uploaded, AI will analyze the image and detect the faces. And here you can see that VidMage detects all the faces from the image. Now we have to upload the reference face image for every face. I am uploading the target faces. You should upload as per your needs. Once all the face images are uploaded, simply click on the Swap Face button from here, and then wait for some time. And here it is, the image is ready. You can see the result. This is just amazing. VidMage perfectly swaps all the faces according to the face images. I am really amazed by the result. So, now you can swap multiple faces from any image with a single click. Now imagine I only want to swap this face and keep the other faces as the original ones. In that case, after uploading and detecting the faces, find the face you want to swap. In my case, this is my targeted face. So, I'm clicking here and then uploading the face image. After uploading the face image, hit the Swap Face button. And here is the resulting image. You can see that the target face has been swapped with the reference face, and all other images remain intact. So you can swap faces from any image within a few seconds and get high-quality results absolutely for free. Okay, now let's talk about the Video Face Swap. Select the Video Face Swap tool from here. After coming to the Video Face Swap, we have to upload the target video. Here is one thing you have to keep in mind. In the free version, you can upload a maximum of 15-second long videos and up to HD video, while subscribers can upload 5-minute long 4K videos. And to grab a subscriber's plan, you have to pay only $9.99 per month. And if you want to buy the yearly plan, you have to pay $69.99 for 1 year. Both of them are very reasonable. As I am a heavy user, I bought the yearly plan. However, you can try it for free and then buy the plan if you need. Alright, after uploading the target video clip, you have to upload the face image. I am uploading this image. Once everything is set, hit the Swap Face button and then wait for some time. Believe me, this is not long. As per my user experience, it's faster than any video face swap or deepfake tool. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Hi, welcome to the world of AI, where the line between the real world and AI has been blurred.
This is just amazing. VidMage perfectly swaps faces from the video with our face image. And the result is just perfect. You won't notice any morphing or unusual elements in the video. The facial features are replaced perfectly. Here, you can see the before and after version of the video. So now you can create this kind of high-quality deepfake videos totally for free. The only limitation is you can use a 15-second video in the free plan. Want to swap faces from multiple images with a single click? Then, use the free Batch Face Swap tool from the More Tools tab. Here, you will find a vast number of face swap features. Select the Batch Face Swap tool. Once you're on this page, upload all the target images. Once the images are uploaded, upload the face image, and then hit the Swap Face button. And here are the face swapped images. You can notice that all the images have the same face. So, if you want to swap faces of multiple images, use the free Batch Face Swap tool. Not only images or videos, you can also swap faces from any GIF. To do that, select the Gif Face Swap option from here. This is the GIF swap interface. Now, upload the GIF with a face. After that, upload the face image. Once done, hit the Swap Face button. And here is the new GIF. And you can see the result. This is amazing. There are some more tools like Face Morph, Gender Swap, Celebrity Face Swap, AI Head Swap, free AI Deepfake Face Swap, and others available here. All of them are very effective and interesting. You can try them yourself. In conclusion, VidMage AI is an amazing face swap tool. Where other AI tools charge a high price to swap faces, it offers a completely free user experience. And the capability of VidMage is also amazing. Despite being a free tool, it produces high-quality results. So, don't forget to try the tool. The link will be in the description box. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about VidMage AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!